Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So for this DIY, as you can see here, I just have a mug that I got from the dollar store. I also got some soap dishes or anything white that you would like to marble. And then I just take this little green bin, fill it with water, and start pouring in my nail polish colors. I just chose two different colors that I liked, and you just pour it in and make a little design. You can even do what I did here and take a stick and kind of marble it a little more or make a special design. Then it's as simple as just putting your cup right in and kind of turning it so that the nail polish adheres to the cup, and then the design will now be on your cup. You can do all sides, one side, and the cleanup is super easy. You just wiggle the stick around and boom. I did three different kind of designs here. I did one with this metallic rose gold nail polish, which was really pretty. I really liked it. And as you're going to see in the next clip or two, sometimes you might get water inside the mug when you dip it. It's not really a big deal. I just dumped it back out, and I'm not actually using these to drink out of. I'm using them for decoration ideas, but if you are using them to drink, then obviously try not to get the water on the inside. But I just wiped mine out and put some flowers or makeup brushes in it, which is what I was using these for. So you can use really any colors, and it's such a fun way to customize something. It's so simple, you already have it at your house, and it just turned out really cute. So for my dish soap holders, they are a flat surface, so obviously it's going to be a little trickier. There's no handle on it. So you do the same thing as before, fill up your water, pour in your nail polish, and make a design. I loved these like dark gray and pink together. I thought this one was a really cute color combination. So the first time I took the plate and I kind of tried to dip it in one corner at a time, and you can just like anywhere you stick it, you'll see the nail polish just like cling onto it. That one worked, but it was a little messier. So for the second one, I just tried dipping the entire plate in face down, and then in one foul swoop just pick it up, and that actually worked really well. So as you can see here, I just whoop and done. Voila. And for a little extra touch, I just sprinkled some silver and gray glitter on it while it was still wet, and then you can go over it with Mod Podge or spray it with like an adhesive to seal it. And then you're done. If you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.